The Samsung Galaxy A54 has a 50MP f1.8 main camera, a 12MP f2.2 fixed focus ultrawide shooter, and a 5MP f2.4 dedicated macro camera. There's a 32MP f2.2 selfie camera on the opposite end. The Galaxy A34 has a bigger 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display, but retains the 1080p resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and the Vision Booster enhancements. The phone stands at 161.3 x 78.1 x 8.2 mm, but is a few grams lighter at 199 grams. The Duo also shares the IP67 rating for dust and water protection as well as the 5000 mAh battery with 25W charging, but there's where the similarities end. The Samsung Galaxy A34 makes do with a 48MP f1.8 main camera, 8MP f2.2 ultra-wide unit, and 5MP f2.4 macro shooter. The selfie camera on this one has a 13MP sensor. The Galaxy A54 is powered by the 5nm Exynos 1380 chipset, while the Galaxy A34 feature the 6nm MediaTek Dimensity 1080. You can get either phone with 6GB or 8GB of RAM, paired to 128GB or 256GB of expandable storage. The Galaxy A34 comes in lime, graphite, violet, and silver and costs €390 for the 6 128GB model, but the 8 256GB, which is normally €460, is on sale for just €409. The Galaxy A54 is available in lime, graphite, violet, and white starting at €490 for the 6 128GB model. The 8 256GB model, normally €540, is on sale at €490. The phones will come to markets in Europe and Asia from this month.